I prefer the miter saw, but you can use a circular saw. I got away with 2.5-inch screws. You need two 32-inch boards and 5 30-inch boards. Create an I-beam by sandwiching a 30-inch board vertically between two 32-inch boards horizontally. Put 3 screws in the top and 3 screws in the bottom. Place the leg on an angle. The top 2 screws will screw into the center of the I-beam, and the bottom 2 screws will screw into the bottom of the I-beam. Here's a quick overview. Your I-beam will be 32 inches long, and the top and bottom will be the 32-inch boards, and the center will be 30 inches. The 4 legs are 30 inches and have 4 screws in each. Thanks for watching Campbell Carpentry. See you next time.